Hi everyone, this video is about how to calculate quantity of materials for concrete members, that is cement, sand, coarse aggregate and reinforcement. This video is for those who are aspiring to buy houses, builders, contractors, that is civil engineering based entrepreneurs, BE civil engineering, diploma in civil engineering, ME structural engineering, ME building materials and construction technology, and for research scholars. Uh, we have seen many times, even after construction, there were plenty of materials were wasted because of improper or miscalculation. So this video clearly explains how to calculate the quantity of materials. Outline of this presentation: introduction, density of constituents of concrete, quantity calculation of cement, sand, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and reinforcement. One of the application of reinforced concrete is shown here. Introduction. Applications of reinforced concrete are buildings, bridges, roads, floating structures, foundations, marine structures, pipes and conduits, precast works. This is roof concreting. Concrete poured over the formwork with reinforcement and cover blocks. Density of constituents of concrete. Density is nothing but mass by volume. That is, for 1 meter cube, what is the weight of that constituent? For example, 1 meter cube of concrete is 2400 kilogram. 1 meter cube of steel block is equal to 7850 kg. Then aggregate density is 1200 to 1750 kilogram per meter cube. Cement 1440 kilogram per meter cube. Water 1000 kilogram per meter cube. A typical cube of 1 meter by 1 meter is shown here. Then cementitious materials. It includes cement and other constituents. The other constituents are fly ash, ground granulated blast furnace slag, rice husk ash, sugarcane ash, and many supplementary cementitious materials are there. Then other constituents are river sand and natural aggregate. This natural aggregate are, in the non-technical word is jelly. The fine aggregate can be also called as sand. This sand and coarse aggregate are chemically inert. Once you add a cement with water, then only it binds these constituents. That this cementitious materials is also having binding property. That's why it is called as cementitious material. One typical example of a home size 1600 square feet roof slab is shown in this presentation. The length, width, depth of the slab is 15 meter, 10 meter and 0.15 meter. In feet it is 49.2, 32.8 and 6 inches. Area of the floor is 150 meter square or 1613 square feet. Total volume equal to length into width into depth, and calculated volume is equal to 22 meter cube or 793.97 feet cube. The conversion factor is 1 inch equal to 0.083 feet. 1 meter equal to 3.28 feet. Design mix. How to design this mix is beyond the scope of this video. If I am a client, I will be given with this mixture. 1 is to 0.428 is to 2.163 is to 3.112 is to 0.327. In addition to that, description will be given. What are all these values represent? Cement is to fly ash is to fine aggregate is to coarse aggregate is to water by cementitious material is to chemical admixture. So here the admixture is 1%. A detailed description for 1 meter cube of concrete is given here. That is 332 is to 142 is to 718 is to 1033 is to 155 is to 4.8. Then how to calculate the materials for 22.5 meter cube of volume of roof slab. The first column represents the constituents of concrete: cement, fly ash, water, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, chemical admixture, water by cementitious material ratio. Then second column is obtained from the design mix. Third column is unit, and the fourth column is the ratio. So how to obtain this? Cement by cement, that is equal to 1. Fly ash by cement, that is equal to 0.428. Water by cementitious material, that is water by cement plus fly ash, that is equal to 0.327. In other words, 155 divided by 332 plus 142, that is equal to 0.327. Coarse aggregate by cement, that is 1033 divided by 332, that is equal to 3.112. Fine aggregate by cement, that is 718 divided by 332 equal to 2.163. Chemical admixture by cement, that is 4.74 divided by 332, that is equal to 0.014. So now you got ratios of constituents of concrete. Then how to calculate for 22.5 meter cube of slab? For 1 meter cube you need 332 kg of cement. Then for 22.5 meter cube you need 22.5 into 332 is equal to 7470 kilogram of cement. If you divide this with 50, you will get 150 bags. So the requirement is 150 bags. Then this cement can be multiplied with the ratios given in column 4. That is 7470 into 0.428, you will get fly ash, that is 3195 kg. 7470 into water by cementitious ratio 0.327, that is equal to 3487 liters of water is required. Cement 7470 kilogram into cement coarse aggregate by cement ratio, that is 3.112. 7470 into 3.112 equal to 23,250 kilogram. Cement into fine aggregate by cement ratio, you will get required quantity of fine aggregate, that is sand. 7470 into 2.163 equal to 16,156 kg of sand. Cement into chemical admixture by cement ratio, that is 0.014, you will get 106 liters of chemical admixture. So in the sixth column, the required quantity of constituents of concrete is given. In the shops, you cannot go and ask, Anna, you give 23,250 kilogram of coarse aggregate or jelly. Anna, you give 16,156 kilogram of fine aggregate or sand. So you have to multiply this coarse aggregate and fine aggregate with their factor. That is, you are converting these values kilogram into cubic feet by the factor 0.041. Once you multiply, you divide it with 100. 1 unit equal to 100 cubic feet. So 10 units of coarse aggregate and 7 units of fine aggregates are required. Now you can go and ask, Anna, I give 10 units of jelly, 7 units of sand. Usually chemical admixtures are available in 20 liter bottles. So requirement is 106. If you divide 106 by 20 liters, you will get around 5 point something. So you can order 6 numbers of chemical admixture bottles. So now you have to check. You have to check before calculation and after calculation. Before calculation, when the contractor gives you the mix ratio, you have to add everything. You should get around 2400 kilogram per meter cube, that is density of concrete. After calculation, you have to add everything. For 22.5 meter cube of concrete, that is cement 7470, fly ash 3195, water 3487 kilogram, coarse aggregate 23,250 kilogram, fine aggregate 16,156, chemical admixture 106 liters. You have to add everything. You will get 57,153. Divide this with total volume. It's nothing, simple concept, mass by volume. You will get around plus or minus 2,400 kilogram per meter cube. So you can see, if you know the mix ratio and cement content, you can calculate the remaining constituents of concrete. Always there may be a dispute. This truck driver brought less quantity of sand, or these truck drivers may feel, I have given them more quantity of sand, they have paid less and I am paying more. This proprietor is not giving proper quantity of sand. So how to solve this? So this is the truck. You have to find the inner volume by measuring the length, breadth and depth. Here is a design example. Length of the truck 5.5 meter, breadth of the truck 2.5 meter, depth of the truck 1.7 meters, that is 18 feet, 8.2 feet, 5.8 feet. If you multiply these three, you will get the volume of truck 23.38 meter cube. Then total volume, you will get 827.83 feet cube. I said earlier, 1 unit equal to 100 cubic feet, 1 kg equal to 0.041 cubic feet. Volume of truck in units you will get 8.3 units. So here you can see 8.27 is the volume. If you divide this with 100, you will get total number of units 8.3 units. So normally you can see the capacity of trucks were in between 6 cubic feet 6 units to 10 units. Then the tractor volume is equal to 120 cubic feet, that's around 1.2 unit. The final conclusions are: required quantity of materials for construction of 15 meter by 10 meter by 0.15 meter slab, 150 bags cement, 10 units of coarse aggregate, that is 1 truck and 2 tractors, 7 units of fine aggregate or sand, that is 1 truck, 1.5 units of fly ash, that is 1.5 tractor, 6 numbers of 20-liter bottle admixture is required. Then in the next video, I will be explaining about the reinforcement quantity calculation. So please recommend this video for your students. Then I kindly request all to like, share and subscribe my channel or my Facebook page. So these are all the references. Thank you.